honoring our littles. Some of them are not so little, they're probably taller than me, but little in my heart because they're younger. And they're actually gonna honor our last mo'i that once lived in this palace. Starting off with our last king of Hawaii, Kalākaua. And Kalākaua, known for his travels, they look really far, like they're in Waikiki. Come closer to me so I can see your faces. We love honoring Kalākaua because of his innovation. Yeah, he was very forward-thinking. So some people were not fond of that, but I think he was akamai. He knew that there are a lot of things going on, changes in Hawaii, and so why not travel abroad to Europe and Asia and learn from the other kings and queens of other countries and see how they rule, see how they malama their people. And so in this mele, it takes us on travels with him. And when he first discovered the light bulb and brought it here to Hawaii to light up our palace, even before the White House had light. And so again, very forward-thinking, very with the times. And so we honor you, our last mo'ikane, in this hula called kawika. Ai, eia no kawika, ka hekea o nā pua. Eia. Eia no kawika e ka hekea o nā pua e Eia no kawika e ka hekea o nā pua. Kawila? Kawila ma ka hikina e Malama ma Hawaii e Kawila ma ka hikina e Malama ma Hawaii. Kui e kalono, kui e kalono pelekane e Alohe ke kuini o palandi e Kui e kalono pelekane e Alohe ke kuini o palandi. Na vai kapua, na vai e kapua I luna e O ka paakea o makua. Na vai e kapua I luna e O ka paakea o makua. Haina, haina ia mai kapua na e O ka lani ka wika he inoa. Haina ia mai kapua na e O ka lani ka wika he inoa. E ala e a he inoa no Kalākaua. I hope? I hope. Kalamai, we never practiced this.